Unleash your voice. Start a blog today. Sharing your thoughts, passions, and expertise with the world has never been easier. Starting a blog is an incredible way to connect with like-minded individuals, build a community, and even generate income. Whether you're passionate about cooking, travel, business, or anything in between, there's an audience eager to hear your unique perspective. In the past, setting up a blog felt intimidating, often requiring technical know-how, but those days are gone. Now, powerful platforms like ClickFunnels make creating and launching your dream blog incredibly simple. Imagine building a beautiful, functional blog without touching a single line of code. That's the power ClickFunnels puts at your fingertips. Ready to unleash your voice and share your message with the world? Let's dive in. ClickFunnels is an all-in-one marketing platform designed to help entrepreneurs and businesses grow. While it's known for creating high-converting sales funnels, its versatility extends to blogging. What makes ClickFunnels a fantastic choice for bloggers? It's incredibly user-friendly. ClickFunnels utilizes a simple drag-and-drop interface, making it easy for anyone, regardless of technical skill, to design and customize their blog. Worried about complicated coding or confusing settings? Don't be. ClickFunnels takes care of the technical stuff behind the scenes, allowing you to focus on what matters most, creating valuable content for your audience. Plus, ClickFunnels offers a suite of features designed to help you grow your audience and monetize your blog. We'll explore these options in detail later. Intrigued by what ClickFunnels can offer? You can find a link to explore further in the description below. Ready to build your dream blog? ClickFunnels makes the process streamlined and easy. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, sign up for ClickFunnels. Head over to the ClickFunnels website, there's a link in the description, and choose the plan that best suits your needs. Don't worry, they offer a free trial so you can explore the platform risk-free. Next, choose a template. ClickFunnels offers a variety of professionally designed blog templates to get you started. Select a template that aligns with your brand and customize it to your liking using the intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Then, craft compelling content. This is where your passion shines. Start creating high-quality, engaging blog posts that provide value to your target audience. Share your expertise, insights, and stories in a clear and concise way. After that, optimize for SEO. ClickFunnels makes it easy to optimize your blog posts for search engines, helping you attract more organic traffic. Use relevant keywords in your titles, headings, and throughout your content. Finally, hit publish. Once your blog post is polished and optimized, hit that publish button and share your work with the world. Promote your blog on social media, email lists, and other channels to reach a wider audience. See, setting up your blog with ClickFunnels is a breeze. Section 4. Monetize your message. Turn passion into profit. Once your blog is up and running, it's time to explore the exciting world of monetization. ClickFunnels provides a variety of tools and features to help you turn your passion into profit. One popular method is affiliate marketing. Partner with businesses and promote their products or services on your blog. ClickFunnels makes it easy to incorporate affiliate links within your content, allowing you to earn a commission on any sales generated through your recommendations. Another option is to sell your own products or services directly through your blog. ClickFunnels seamlessly integrates with leading payment gateways, allowing you to create sales pages, checkout forms, and deliver digital products effortlessly. For those seeking a more passive income stream, consider incorporating display advertising on your blog. As your traffic grows, you can partner with ad networks or directly with businesses to display relevant ads on your site. Section 5. Your blogging journey starts now. Starting a blog is an empowering journey of self-expression, connection, and entrepreneurial opportunity. With ClickFunnels, you have all the tools you need to build a beautiful, functional, and profitable blog, all in one user-friendly platform. Remember, the most important ingredient in a successful blog is your unique voice and perspective. Share your passions, connect with your audience, and never be afraid to experiment and evolve. Ready to take the leap and start building your dream blog today? Click the link in the description to learn more about ClickFunnels and start your free trial. Your blogging adventure awaits.